Our next speaker, Ruidong Chang, is going to pose the question: the Chinese construction industry, can it be sustainable?
Imagine you spend your childhood playing with waste construction timber, eating beside waste bricks, and sleeping on the broken concrete slabs. This is not another fantasy like the little mesh girl. This is the reality happening on thousands of children in China. After rapid economic growth, China currently has the largest construction industry in the world. However, only 2% Chinese construction firms implement sustainable construction practices, such as the construction waste management. The big construction sector, combined with these unsustainable modes of construction, generate a huge environmental threat to not only China, but also the rest of the world. Can you imagine that actually China used more cement in the last 3 years than the US used in the entire 20th century? Can you also believe that the Chinese construction industry alone contributes to around 10% of the total greenhouse gas emission of the globe? The mind-blowing statistics reveal that China has to transition its construction industry towards sustainability, not only for Chinese people, but also for other people in the world. Unfortunately, even though the Chinese government tried very hard to do so to promote sustainable construction, scholars discovered that few Chinese construction firms really implement these practices. It seems that due to some mechanism, the Chinese construction industry has been locked into unsustainability. How can we break the locking mechanism? Can the Chinese construction industry really become sustainable? This is where my research comes in. My research aims to address two fundamental questions. One, what mechanism locked the Chinese construction industry into unsustainability? And two, how can we break these locking mechanisms? In terms of the first question, based on research data collected from over 200 Chinese construction firms, I identified 43 key factors which form three major locking mechanisms, namely weak sustainability innovation, strong cultural conservatism, and unstable government policies. In terms of the second question, based on complex system dynamics modeling, I aimed to identify the critical chain of the locking mechanism and propose the strategic sustainability transition plan for the Chinese construction industry. Just imagine how much emission could be reduced if we can successfully transition the Chinese construction industry towards sustainability. Let's make this change for Chinese people, for all the people in the world, and most importantly, for future generations. Thank you.